Tired of messy laundry piles? This 150-liter large laundry hamper is sturdy, stylish, and super easy to move. Your laundry day just got a major upgrade. Stay organized with the LifeWit Double Laundry Hamper. Sort your laundry with ease and enjoy the convenience of removable bags and a tidy look. Upgrade your laundry game with the Joseph Tote Hamper, sleek, functional, and complete with removable bags for hassle-free sorting. Say goodbye to laundry chaos with the LifeWit 2-pack hampers, spacious, collapsible, and stylish with waterproof durability. Keep laundry stylishly tucked away with the Song Mix Bamboo Hamper, durable, sleek, and smart with a removable liner bag. Say hello to space-saving convenience with the 43-liter collapsible laundry basket. Laundry day just got easier. Add style to your home with clever-made laundry baskets, spacious, foldable, and chic, perfect for laundry or storage. Keep laundry simple with the Docom 90-liter laundry basket, spacious, collapsible, and freestanding for everyday ease. Sort smarter with the Song Mix Laundry Hamper, 3 sections, customizable labels, and a sleek, collapsible design. Sort and move with ease. The simple houseware laundry sorter makes laundry fast, organized, and stress-free. Trust us for honest advice. Like and subscribe for more. Read the full product review article link in the description.